How to enable developer mode on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable the developer mode on your Android phone. So if you want to find out some hidden tools that your Android phone has, I'll show you how you can do it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open up the settings app, and once you have opened it, simply tap on the option labeled as About Phone. And here in this section, you need to simply look for the phone build number. In my phone, you can also see the MIUI version, which is my build number. So here, just tap on MIUI version for 7 times until you see a pop-up that says you are now a developer. And here, once you have enabled the developer, you can simply go back to the main settings page, and here simply tap on the search bar. Now simply type developer options, and once the result shows, simply tap on that option. And here, once you are inside the developer option, you can find all the hidden tools of your Android phone. And that's it. That's how you can enable the developer mode on your Android phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.